Excel macro to rename multiple files in a folder and subfolders. Excel macros. Automate repetitive tasks with macros, streamlining file renaming for files with similar or different naming patterns. Method 1. Rename files with similar name patterns. Utilize Excel macros to rename files with common text and incremental numbers. Method 2. Rename files with different name patterns. Organize files with diverse naming conventions using Excel tables and execute macros accordingly. Method 3. Use Easy File Renamer. Opt for Easy File Renamer for a hassle-free solution without coding knowledge, ensuring accurate and efficient batch renaming. Steps. 1. Download Easy File Renamer and install it on your computer. 2. Exit Microsoft Excel to prevent renaming conflicts. 3. Open EFR and select either files or folders. 4. Add files or folders to the list. 5. Choose renaming criteria and add rules. 6. Click on the Rename button to execute the process seamlessly.